Is this you in 2017? Well, not to worry. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be your best self for 2018. So if you need help cleaning yourself up and being the best version of yourself, then keep on watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. I like to start my day with being productive and efficient, but it's very hard for me to do that when I wake up to such a messy house. It kind of makes you feel like you want to just give up hope and fall to the floor, doesn't it? Well, don't, because the mess doesn't clean itself. Getting all the chores and tasks that you need to do, like cleaning and organizing, done, it really does help reduce the stress levels in your day. Feel more productive, you feel more efficient, all the annoying things and parts. Well, for me, cleaning is quite annoying. I do not like cleaning. I'm quite a messy person. So when I get up and do this bright and early, I have so much more time to focus on what needs to be done for the rest of the day, such as doing other things that help me be more productive and efficient. Yes, midway, I kind of want to just run away from my chores, but that doesn't help, does it? Because chores don't finish themselves, all right? So, once I get everything organized, I usually spend about a half an hour arguing with my cat, who likes to chew on my plants, and he's kind of like he's going through his preteens right now, doesn't listen to his mom and things like that, so it's kind of stressful, but you know, once I sort that out, I get to do a load of laundry, I have that running, and that kind of works as I am finishing up the rest of my chores. The next thing I do in a day to get my act together is to get work done. So what I like to do is answer emails, pay bills, finish assignments, or pay bills. Text Amr to pay bills. That's what's up. You know what I mean? Well, I'm gonna be frank. I ain't doing it. All right. Social media, check my messages, respond to comments on YouTube, and something that I'm such a bad culprit in is emptying my inbox. I have about 1,000 emails that I haven't checked. Now, whether it's editing videos for you guys or just kind of doing some Chinutay and Co work, I usually spend most of my day doing this, all right?
Do it again.
This is my desktop. It also needs to be cleaned. Now, once I'm done, it's my favorite part of the day and of getting my act together, getting my shit together, really. And it's self-care, all right? And this is the most important part of getting yourself together, all right? And this is the time where it's all about me. It's me time. I relax, I reflect. First thing I like to do is do a quick workout. Now, I usually go to the gym. I just recently started working out, actually. I stopped. I let myself go for a while after I got married. I got comfortable. You know, what can I say? I'm happy. So I put on some weight, but now I'm trying to get myself back into shape, get myself back into the pair of jeans that didn't fit me before. So I started doing these at-home workouts, or I go to the gym, which is like right across the street. So I do a few of these leg lifts. I do, depending on what I'm working on that day. So I'll be working on my legs or my upper body. But sometimes I just kind of do a whole bunch of random stuff. If you'd like to see my at-home workout, let me know, and I will do a separate video on that. But after I've worked out, I like to stretch. I used to be super flexible, and now I am stiff as a tree. So I'm trying to get my flexibility back. Also, I have some neck problems, so I'm trying to stretch that out. I like to stretch out my arms as well. I did a few arm lifts and things like that. So yeah, after I get all the blood pumping, I dance my way to the shower because it's time for me to clean myself. I first go to the bathroom, check the temperature, get the shower ready. After I've showered, I like to brush my teeth because I find that if I clean my body, it's weird if I don't brush my teeth. It's just, even if it's not, this is usually around 8 o'clock, all right? I'm brushing my teeth. and I'm done. So this is me getting undressed in a halal fashion. After I'm all fresh and clean, get ready to pray. So this is around Maghrib time. So when I do pray, it really is a portal to helping me, get in tune with who I am, with my religion, with my God, my relationship with God, with my relationship with myself, my relationship with others, my attitude, reflecting on being a better person, working on the things I need to work on, my short-term goals, my long-term goals, how close I've gotten to these goals, things like that. I get to reflect on the things I have in life, the things that I am appreciative of, the things I don't have, and where I want to be, where I don't want to be. It's just a beautiful way to really get yourself spiritually open to thinking and reflecting on ideas about life and about your life and about yourself as well. So I encourage you to turn off your phones, to take an hour out of your day and to really focus on yourself and try out my self-care routine. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, and let me know what other videos you like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Lots of love. Happy New Year, and God bless. Bye.